Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Iman, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to be here again.
Me too. Today, we have a very relaxing and practical episode.
Yes, we are going to talk about daily life.
Exactly. We will talk about our daily routine from morning to night.
I like this topic. It's simple but very useful.
That's true. Everyone has a daily routine.
And you can use this English every single day.
Exactly. So today, just relax, listen, and maybe repeat after us.
Yes, you can practice speaking with us.
And before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English with Iman.
Yes, and share it with a friend who wants to practice real English conversation.
Okay, so Imana, how do you feel today?
I feel good today. I feel calm and happy.
That's nice. Why do you feel happy?
Well, I woke up early and the weather is sunny.
Oh, I love sunny mornings.
Me too. What about you? How do you feel today?
I feel a little sleepy.
Oh no, did you sleep late?
Yes, I went to bed a bit late last night.
Ah, that's not good.
I know, I am not a perfect morning person.
Really? I thought you wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
Haha, not every day.
So let's talk about mornings. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. My phone is my alarm clock.
Same here, and my alarm is very loud.
Oh no, I don't like loud alarms.
Haha, but if it's not loud, I don't wake up.
That's true. Do you press snooze?
Yes, I press snooze 1 or 2 times.
Only 1 or 2?
Okay, maybe 3 times.
That's honest.
What about you?
I try not to press snooze, but sometimes I do.
It's so comfortable in bed in the morning.
Yes, especially in winter.
Oh yes, when it's cold, I don't want to leave my bed.
So after you wake up, what do you do first?
First, I check my phone.
Really?
Yes, I check messages and the weather.
I try not to check my phone.
Oh wow, that's good.
I try to sit up and drink some water first.
That's healthy.
Then I go to the bathroom and wash my face.
Same here. Washing my face helps me wake up.
Exactly. Cold water is very helpful.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I usually take a shower in the morning.
I prefer showering at night.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
Yes, because in the morning I feel slow.
I feel fresh after a morning shower.
That's true. A shower makes you feel clean and ready.
After my shower, I brush my teeth.
Of course, that's very important.
And then, coffee.
Ah, coffee time.
I can't start my day without coffee.
Wow, you really love coffee.
Yes, I drink 1 cup every morning.
Only one?
Yes, only 1.
I drink tea.
Tea? No coffee?
I drink coffee sometimes, but I prefer tea.
What kind of tea?
Green tea or black tea.
That sounds nice.
Tea makes me feel calm.
Coffee makes me feel awake.
Different energy.
Exactly. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do. I usually eat something small.
Like what?
Maybe bread and cheese or eggs.
That sounds good.
Sometimes I eat yogurt with fruit.
Oh, that's healthy.
What about you?
I eat eggs or toast.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Almost every day.
Sometimes I skip breakfast if I'm late.
Oh no, that happens to me too.
Yes, when I wake up late, I don't have time.
So after breakfast, we get ready.
Yes, I choose my clothes.
Is that easy for you?
Not always. Sometimes I stand in front of my closet and think, what should I wear?
Haha, same here.
I like comfortable clothes.
Me too. I don't like very tight clothes.
Comfort is important.
After I get dressed, I pack my bag.
Yes, I check my bag too. Phone, keys, wallet.
Very important. If I forget my keys, it's a big problem.
Oh no, that's stressful.
So, how do you go to work?
I usually drive my car.
That's nice.
Yes, but sometimes there is traffic.
Ugh, traffic is the worst.
Yes, especially in the morning.
I sometimes take the bus.
Really? Do you like it?
It's okay. I listen to music on the bus.
That's a good idea.
Or I listen to a simple English podcast.
Oh wow, that's great practice.
Yes, the bus time is learning time.
That's smart.
Some people walk to work.
That's healthy.
Yes, walking in the morning feels good.
Fresh air is nice.
So, when you arrive at work, what do you do first?
First, I sit down and check my emails.
Emails never stop.
Haha, that's true.
I also check my to-do list.
That's important. A to-do list helps a lot.
Yes, I write small tasks.
Small tasks are better than big, scary tasks.
Exactly. My workday is sometimes busy.
Mine too. I have meetings and phone calls.
Do you like meetings?
Not always.
Honest answer.
Some meetings are useful, some are too long.
That's true. What about you?
I spend time on my computer, writing, reading, planning.
Do you talk a lot at work?
Yes, I talk to my team.
That's nice. Good communication is important.
Yes, it is.
Do you feel tired before lunch?
Sometimes, yes.
Around 11 a.m., I feel hungry.
Me too.
So let's talk about lunch.
So, yes, let's continue with lunch.
Yes, lunchtime is my favorite time of the day.
Really? More than breakfast?
Yes, because at lunch I feel very hungry.
That's true. What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and chicken. Sometimes I eat pasta.
That sounds delicious.
Or sometimes I bring food from home.
Oh, you prepare your lunch?
Yes, not every day, but sometimes.
That's good. It's healthier and cheaper.
Exactly. What about you?
Sometimes I cook at home and bring my lunch.
And sometimes?
Sometimes I buy food near my office.
Fast food?
Not always fast food, maybe a sandwich or a salad.
That's good.
Do you eat alone or with friends?
I usually eat with my coworkers.
That's nice. Lunch is a good time to talk.
Yes, we talk about work and also about life.
That makes the day more fun.
Exactly. And after lunch, I feel sleepy.
Oh yes, the afternoon sleepiness.
Around 2 p.m., my energy goes down.
Same here. I feel slow and tired.
Sometimes I want to take a nap.
Me too, but we can't sleep at work.
Oh no, that would be funny.
So what do you do when you feel tired?
I drink water. Sometimes I drink tea.
That helps.
And I stand up and walk a little.
That's a good idea. Moving your body helps.
Yes, even a short walk helps me feel better.
I also try to do easy tasks in the afternoon
That's smart.
because my brain is not very strong at that time.
That's true. Morning is better for difficult tasks.
Exactly.
What time do you finish work?
I usually finish at 5 p.m.
Same here.
And when I finish, I feel relaxed.
Yes, that feeling is so nice.
Do you go home immediately?
Yes, most days I go straight home.
Do you drive again?
Yes, I drive home. Traffic is sometimes heavy.
Traffic after work is stressful.
Yes, but I listen to music in the car.
That makes it better.
What about you?
If I take the bus, I usually listen to music or just look outside.
Looking outside is relaxing.
Yes, I watch people, buildings, the sky.
That's peaceful.
When I arrive home, I feel happy.
Me too. Home feels safe and comfortable.
Exactly. What do you do first when you get home?
First, I change my clothes.
Yes, me too.
I put on comfortable clothes.
Comfortable clothes are the best part of the day.
That's true.
Then I wash my hands and sometimes my face.
Same here.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Oh wow, that's nice.
When I come home, my cat comes to the door.
That's so cute.
Yes, she waits for me.
That must make you very happy.
It does. What about you? Do you have a cat?
No, I don't have a pet.
Would you like one?
Maybe in the future.
That would be nice.
So, after you relax a little, what do you do?
I usually start preparing dinner.
Around what time?
Around 6:30 p.m.
That's early.
Yes, I don't like eating very late.
What do you usually cook?
Simple food. Maybe soup, rice, vegetables, or chicken.
That sounds healthy.
I try to eat light at night.
That's a good habit. What about you? Sometimes I cook, sometimes I order food.
Haha, honest answer.
Yes, after a long day, I feel tired.
That's understandable.
When I cook, I like simple meals.
Simple food is the best.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Oh, I don't like washing dishes.
No one likes it.
But we have to do it.
Yes, we do. So, after dinner, how do you relax?
I usually sit on the sofa and watch something.
A movie?
Sometimes a movie, sometimes a short video.
I like watching simple shows.
In English?
Yes, sometimes in English.
That's great practice.
Yes, but I choose easy shows.
That's important. Easy and clear.
What about you?
I sometimes read a book.
Oh, nice. What kind of books?
Simple novels or self-development books.
Reading before bed is relaxing.
Yes, it helps me sleep better.
Do you use your phone a lot at night?
Sometimes yes.
Me too. I check social media.
That can take a lot of time.
Oh yes, sometimes I say just 5 minutes.
And then 1 hour passes.
Exactly.
So what time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
That's good.
I try to sleep early.
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
Are you a night person?
Maybe a little. I think I am more of a morning person.
Really?
Yes, I like quiet mornings.
I like quiet nights.
That's interesting. Different styles.
Before sleeping, do you do anything special?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and set my alarm.
Setting the alarm is important.
Yes, very important.
I also prepare my clothes for the next day sometimes.
Oh wow, that's organized.
It helps me in the morning.
That's true.
And then I lie down in bed.
Do you fall asleep quickly?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Same here.
If I can't sleep, I think about my day.
That's nice. I sometimes say, thank you for my day.
That's beautiful.
Even if the day is busy, there is always something good.
That's true.
So today we talked about our full daily routine.
Yes, from waking up to going to bed.
We talked about alarm clocks,
Coffee and tea,
breakfast and getting ready,
going to work,
lunchtime,
afternoon tiredness,
going home,
dinner and relaxing.
and bedtime.
This is real English for daily life.
Yes, you can use these sentences every day.
You can practice by talking about your own routine.
Say, I wake up at,
I drink,
I go to.
I eat.
Practice speaking alone.
Yes, talk about your day in English.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes, are you a morning person or a night person?
And what is your daily routine?
Write your answer in the comments.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you so much for listening to Real Conversation Practice.
We hope this helps you feel more confident.
Keep practicing and keep smiling.